and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a design for this magical castle scrapbook that I made from scratch. But first I have some exciting news. I always wanted to have my own website, but since I don't have that much computer knowledge, I didn't know how to begin. Until a few weeks ago when I found out about Wix. Wix is a place where you can create your own professional looking website in a few easy steps and have a lot of fun while making it. If you head over to Wix, you can make your own website for free. You have an option to answer a few questions and they will design it for you. You can also build it from scratch or choose between 500 different templates that are organized in categories, so you can easily find the one that you like and start editing it. I was often asked by people where they can contact me and how they can see what I'm doing. After a moment of awkward silence, I always said, well, I have this YouTube channel and Facebook and also Instagram, but with so many creators, your work can easily get lost on bigger platforms. So it's great if you have your work gathered in one place where you can present yourself or your business and give people an option to get in touch with you. With Wix, you can also start writing the blog that you always dreamed about or open an online store where you can sell your products. I'm planning on starting my own blog in the future where I will talk about different supplies I'm using and also how to find inspiration for crafting. I often struggle with new projects and sometimes it's best to put your mind off crafting for a few moments and express your creativity in a different way. And building your own website is a perfect example of that. That's all about my new project. Create your own at wix.com. Link is also in the description below, and now let's continue with today's scrapbook. thank you for watching. I would also like to thank Wix for sponsoring today's video. Create something new today, head over to their page, and I will see you next time with my new project.